Struggling with joint pain and inflammation? What if the answer isn't in a pill, but on your plate? These three powerful plant-based proteins can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and support stronger joints naturally. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to start moving pain-free again. Top 3 plant-based proteins for joint relief. Comment below which one you're already using or want to try first. Before we dive into the top 3, let's answer the big question. Why does protein matter when it comes to your joints? Protein isn't just for building muscles. It's essential for repairing tissues, maintaining cartilage, and producing collagen, the substance that cushions your joints. Inflammation can accelerate the breakdown of cartilage. And here's the thing. Some animal proteins can actually increase inflammation due to saturated fat and hormones. That's why plant-based proteins are gaining serious attention. They fight inflammation and nourish your joints at the same time. First on our list, lentils. These tiny legumes pack a massive punch when it comes to joint health. Lentils are rich in plant protein and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. They're also high in fiber, which supports gut health. Why does that matter? Because a healthy gut reduces systemic inflammation, including in your joints. A 2017 study published in the journal Frontiers in Immunology found that a balanced gut microbiome plays a major role in regulating inflammatory responses across the entire body, including the joints. Lentils are also high in magnesium and iron, which support circulation and tissue repair. Try them in soups, curries, or cold lentil salads. Just 1 cup offers 18 grams of protein. Next up, hemp seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These are anti-inflammatory superheroes. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. They're loaded with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in the perfect 3:1 ratio, which reduces inflammation. According to a review in the journal Arthritis Research and Therapy, omega-3 can reduce stiffness and joint swelling, especially in rheumatoid arthritis patients. Hemp seeds are also high in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, which studies show may help reduce chronic joint pain. Just 3 tablespoons equals 10 grams of protein and a healthy dose of essential fats. It's like eating anti-inflammatory medicine without the side effects. And finally, chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. Chickpeas are rich in protein and complex carbs, making them a great energy source for joint repair. They're high in manganese, a mineral that helps build cartilage and protect joints from oxidative stress. Chickpeas also contain vitamin B6, which has been linked to lower inflammation markers. In fact, one study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher B6 intake was associated with lower C-reactive protein, CRP, a key indicator of inflammation. You can mash them into hummus, toss them on a salad, or roast them for a crunchy snack. 1 cup equals 15 grams of protein, plus fiber and antioxidants. Here's the magic. These three work together to cover all your bases. Lentils repair and nourish with plant protein, and fiber. Hemp seeds add healthy fats and complete protein. Chickpeas deliver joint-specific minerals and antioxidants. Together, they support collagen production, reduced inflammation, tissue repair, cartilage protection. Plus, they're all affordable, easy to prepare, and don't require refrigeration. You don't have to go full vegan. Just add one of these to each meal and see the difference in your joints. Ideas: lentil and veggie soup for lunch, chickpea and avocado salad, sprinkle hemp seeds on oats or yogurt, mix them into wraps or Buddha bowls. So, what are you waiting for? These plant-based proteins are your natural path to less joint pain and more movement. Try them today. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips, and let us know in the comments. Which one of these foods are you adding to your diet first? Want more relief? Watch our next video. Natural anti-inflammatory drinks for pain-free joints. It's packed with healing recipes you'll love.